Welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Touareg. This is the 3-litre diesel black edition 4MOTION, finished in the absolutely stunning Moonlight Blue metallic paint. At the front you've got the IQ Light LED matrix headlights, they really illuminate the road. And you've got the 21-inch glossy black alloy wheels, they give it such a sporty and mean look. You've also got the rear tinted windows and the black roof rails as well. Round to the back you can see it looks absolutely stunning in this colour. So you have got the electric tailgate as well, so it does open automatically, and a really cool feature is the power folding tow bar. So to release the tow bar you just hold the top button down and it will release for you. So it's perfect for towing family caravan or a trailer, anything like that. And then to pop it away, just press the bottom one. So it's really quick and easy to use. And you've also got a really generously sized boot as well, so there's plenty of space in there for you. When you're ready to close the boot, you have got the push button close at the top as well, so it just makes life that little bit easier for you. This car's also got the 90-litre fuel tank, so you definitely shouldn't be running out of fuel anytime soon. Inside the back, you can see there's tons of space. You've got 4-zone climate control, and you've got the really stunning R-line Savona leather. Looks absolutely incredible on this car. And you've got all your R-line badging, as you can see. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So inside you've got the really good touchscreen display. You've got your rear view camera and area view as well, so it's perfect for parking your lovely new car. You've got your heated seats in the front as well. You've also got the 14-way electric front ergoComfort seats, so it's perfect for getting you in the right position. And then you've got your sat-nav system, really clear and easy to use, and it does also have the option to display it on your Digital Cockpit Pro as well. This car is automatic, and you've got your drive-in profile selection down here as well, so you can change the mode depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving. You've got your lovely dash and the glossy insert on the door as well. Just give you a close-up of the seat. And here you can see you've got the fantastic electric panoramic sunroof with the electric sun blind as well. So to control the sun blind, you just click the forward or backward arrow depending on which way you want it to go, and it's really quick. Just a close-up of the seats, you've got the R-line embroidery and the perforated leather as well, so it looks really sporty and it's also incredibly comfortable as well. Onto your steering wheel, it is the heated multifunction steering wheel. You've got your touch sensitive controls to turn your steering wheel heating on and off. Looks absolutely fantastic. Your Digital Cockpit Pro, you've got automatic headlights, and you've got heated and folding door mirrors as well. Really cool feature is the head-up display. I'll try and zoom in on the camera so that you can see. So as you can see your speed or key information into your primary field of view. So I really hope you like the car. If you're interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.